Bad sirkal mar doho kwayo od bura mondo orang yo machielo mar loso bajet doho mondo miye pek pok mare mar omenda kaka timone migepe mag thieth kod arita. E romo mar migao mar doho gi jod bura e boma Mombasa, doho kod jod bura owinjore mar tiyo kanyakla mar tieko midhiero momakogi. Ogai mar doho Martha Koome okwayo od bura mondo los paro mar chik mabiro miyo midhiero ma luwogi otiek makare ma ok rocho chenro kendo chung margi.
I would invite the National Assembly to reflect on a new approach to funding the judiciary, one that recognizes justice as a public good, to be financed with the same seriousness as health and national security. For too long, the judiciary has suffered chronic underfunding.
Ukiangalia hata sehemu ambayo wanaweka ushahidi, mahali ambapo wanatoa ushahidi, hapa katika polisi zetu hawana hizo sehemu. Na tunashangaa kila mwaka budget inatolewa kwenye judiciary, wanapewa budget. Hata hizi kesi zenyewe zinasukumwa miaka nenda miaka rudi. They are denying our people justice.
When disagreements arise and they arise causing harm or inconvenience to the public, we have a duty to come together to resolve them and to prevent the people from bearing the costs of our decisions.
I agree with you, Chief Justice, that you need to be resourced. Parliament has heard you, and in the course of our budgeting, we'll continuously be looking at how best we can up your request, but knowing that even we ourselves, and my leadership here can tell you, we never get what we want.